Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Amazon Timestream data with retention and exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup Amazon Timestream data, you will first need to log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Timestream service from the console. Select the Timestream database you wish to backup. Understand the retention settings for your time series data. Amazon Timestream supports a two-tiered retention model. Decide how long you want to keep your data in the memory store and the magnetic store. Adjust these settings according to your backup needs. Next, consider exporting your data for backup. Amazon Timestream allows you to export data to Amazon S3. Select the data you want to export. Use the SQL query editor to define your export criteria. Run the query to retrieve the desired data for backup. Once you have your data, select the export option. Choose the destination S3 bucket where you want to store the exported data. Provide the necessary permissions for Timestream to access your S3 bucket. Complete the export process and check the S3 bucket for your data. Now, ensure that your data is organized for easy retrieval later. Label the exported files clearly with timestamps and data specifics. Regularly review your retention settings to ensure they meet your backup strategy. Consider setting up a schedule for regular exports to automate this backup process. Utilize AWS Lambda functions to automate exporting at intervals. Verify your backup files periodically to ensure data integrity. This will ensure that your Amazon Timestream data is securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.